So we have a cedar board here. It's 1/2 inch rough cut cedar. So we're going to start by planing it. Go ahead and make sure we have safety glasses on and hearing protection. So go ahead and put your fast cap eye buds in and on, and let's plane this board down to about 3/8. Hold the tape up to it. Yeah, we'll actually burn an inch here. Let's see, so we should be at a total of 6 little marks. Yeah, so that's 3/8. All right, now it's cedar board here. I'm going to cut 6 pieces 5 inches long, maybe a little longer. So make them 5 1/2. 11, 6. Together like this to form my pumpkin. I'm going to laser cut out the 6 pieces, but I need a bevel cut so they all fit together. So there's 6 pieces cut to add up to 360. So I take 360 degrees and divide it by 6 to get 60 degrees. And I cut that in half, so I need to cut 30-degree cuts. So I'm going to angle that bevel 30 degrees and then cut them vertically. So to do that, what I need to do first rabbit, and I'll be able to glue and fixture that in there, and then that'll be my cut boards right here. I'm going to glue and screw them together and use my Fast Cap glue bot. I love this glue bottle. You can hold it upright, glue in there, get together like this. Make sure those screws are pretty well recessed. This is my sled. I'm going to clamp these boards on here and cut that bevel on there, and I'm going to cut it at 30 degrees. So I use my square here, my speed square I made on a laser cutter to check to see that it's 60. So let's hold that up. I can see that it's 60 degrees, so that's what we want. Okay, now that I have my angle set, I'm going to bring that blade way back down. And then here's my sled. I'm going to have the grains wrap around the pumpkin. That looks good there, down the center line. I want to clamp it. And once I have it clamped, let's see how this goes. Flip the other side of the bevel. Flip my board around. Clamp it. And now the Mastercam, saved it as a DXF, imported that half pumpkin in a Corel Draw, make sure it's a hairline red, an RGB scale. From there I send it to the printer, print, and that's how easy it is to export it over to the printer. And once it's here, I go to my settings. I want to make sure it's natural wood. I called it softwood. General softwood for there it is in the left-hand corner. I'll hit play. Cutting it out. Go ahead and take that last slice of pumpkin out. Break out of there. Perfect. Let's go blow them up.
glue guy.
Should have used some wax paper so I didn't get glue on the tabletop. Cedar smells good.
Yeah.
That's probably good on the video, Tom.